Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the GoldenGate installations, okay, the 19c GoldenGate installations and the classic architecture. Okay, so these are replications for the unidirectional. Okay, so I just explaining before going to the sessions. Okay, so I just explaining what is the GoldenGate first. Okay, the GoldenGate is nothing but there is a two databases. Sorry, you just consider this is the source. Okay, so this is the target side. Okay, there are two databases. So whatever you return from, whatever the transaction is happen, so it should be transferred to our target side. Okay, so this is the basic of the golden gate. Okay, this is the basics rule of the golden gate. So how it work in real time? Actually, there is a process. Okay, so you can see this is the manage process. Okay, the source side, the manager process, and then extract process, and then pump process. Okay, so this is from source side. So here also manager process and the replicate process. Okay, so how it's work here? So actually here the manager process should be we need port, right? So to listen the connections 09. Actually I'm written the script for the 7809. Okay, so and now the extract process. The extract process is going to read our read log and argue logs from the source side. Okay, and it will going to transfer to here is the local trail. Okay, so this is the local trail. Okay, sorry, local trail. Okay, so now the pump process is going to read the local trail. Okay, it will going to read the local trail and it will going to transfer the trail to the target side. Okay, and it will going to make as a remote trail. Okay, you just consider this is the remote trail. Okay, so this is a remote trail. So in the target side, the replicate is going to read our remote trail and it will going to apply on our target databases. Okay, so this is the flow of the golden gate. So now what we are going to do? So we are going to just run the actually I prepared for the two script. Okay, so I prepared for the two scripts. Okay, so I will show you here. Uh, and actually right now I need to install the database first of all. Okay, so I just the two database is running right now. Okay, so once it's done, so I will show you the script and I will show you how to execute that. Okay, guys, you can see here the database is installed. Okay, so there is a two databases. One is a source and another one is a target site. Okay, so the target databases. So we did successfully. So now what we are going to do, you can see the script here. So actually I make for the two script. Okay, so this is for the source side and then this is for the target side. Okay, so what we are going to do now, so before explaining that script, so I just show you what we are going to do before that. Okay, so here we have to pre-request. Okay, so before executing the script, so we have the two databases. Okay, so we did already. So source DB and target DB we installed successfully. Okay, so now we are going to create the directory of golden gate. Okay, so this is the golden gate we declare from here. You can see OCG underscore home we declare from here. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we just copy the path. So we are going to do directory. Okay, sorry, hyphen p mkdir hyphen p location. Okay, and same time change owner oracle underscore install same location. Okay, so we are going to fire the same command in the target as well. Okay, as a root user. Okay, and then we have to provide this location as well. Okay, so once it's done, so what is the next? So we are going to provide the /etc host. Okay, so here we have to make it what is the source IP here? You can see what 164. Okay, 164 is a source and 163 is a target. So here 164 and here 163. Here rack 1, here rack 2. Okay, the host name. Here also rack 2. So this script we are going to execute in the source side. Okay. So and same time the second script is going to execute the target side. Okay. Okay, done. So now what we are going to do? So now we are going to just right click one duplicate sessions. Okay. Oracle user password. Okay. And same likewise, you can close this one. Okay. Now not required. Now here 163 also, we are going to take one duplicate session. Once is done, we can close the root session. Okay. So we need that script only. We need that two screen only. Okay. So what we are going to give as, okay. So now successfully we did. So what we are going to do now, we are going to upload our Oracle, GoldenGate software. Okay. So home Oracle. So is nothing is here. So what we are going to do, we are going to upload that one. Okay. So it's uploaded. Same like here as well, slash home Oracle. So we are going to upload here as well. Okay. So once it's done, so we will start the script. Okay. So before that, I will explain the script first. Okay. So you can see this is a target side. Okay. So target side, we declare the our software file name. Okay. So this is our, I mean, chip root means, so this is destinations. Okay. The destination, we have to use the slash home and slash Oracle. Okay. This is the Oracle home location. This is our source database. Okay. And this is our export our bath locations. And this is our golden gate home. Okay. And this is our inventory. So this is our unique group name. We can declare the O install. Okay. So I told you, right? This is our port. I declare here 7809. This is a default one I put in here. Okay. So after that, we mentioned extract name, pump name, and extract trial. I mean, local trial. This is a remote trial file. Okay. So we will mention the location as well. And here we should mention our target host also, because our pump will be going to read our target, right? So we have to mention the target IP as well and port as well. Okay. So now we are going to do what we are going to do. We are going to found the this step is going to found the free port from the source side. Okay. So after that, we are going to unzip it. You can see here, this is we are going to unzip. Okay, unzip the software, and it will going to extract. So extract, it will providing this folder and this folder as well. Okay. So after that, it will going to read it. If there is nothing is name like ship, you can see this nothing is there. The installation is going to came out. Okay, from exit side. And now we are going to confirm our port 780. Actually here I just mentioned the option here. Okay. So I just mentioned if maybe 7809 is not available, so it will going to read our 7809. Okay, 7909. Okay. So whatever the free port is there, it will going to pick on that. Okay. But it mostly for the first time installation is going to pick the 7809. Okay, for these scripts. And then we are going to start our installations. Okay. So you can see here, we are going to get all the home inventories. This is the zipcom, right? We declare already zipcom. This is the Oracle installer. This is the location. You can see here, this is the locations. Okay. So in the locations, there is a run installer. I mean, hyphens. Actually, with these installations, we are going to do the silent installations. Okay. Not for GUI. This is a completely silent installation. Okay. So we declare our Oracle home and Golden Gate home as well. Okay, so you can ignore this if you are going to start first time. Okay, so because what happened actually for me, I'm preparing for the 2 to 3 times. So maybe if there is any process running, so it going to stop that. Okay, the older processes. So that's what I'm using this script. So this is our response file. I declared RSP. Okay, this is our locations. Okay, this is our file name .rsp. And what we are going to do, we are going to provide our all the details. So whatever we needed here. So installations options, we are providing Aura 19c software locations. So we kept already, right? And the manager start manager is it should be true. Manager port we declare already in above. And this is the database locations, the database home. So these are inventory locations. So this is our Unix group O install. Okay. So once it's done, it will going to that ship locations. Okay. It will going to initiate this script. Okay. So you can see here it will going to run installer silent. This is the response file. This is RSP. This is our response file name. Okay, so this is our show process, and it will is showing our process. It will be list out our all the ongoing process. So it's wait until completions. Okay, so once this steps is completed, so it will going to create our subdirectory in our CG console. Okay, I mean CG command line, create subdirectories. Okay, so once it's done, it's going to make one folder, like Oracle home. Okay, the dir, and then dir means, so we are going to make on the manager or PRM. Okay, the manager process, this is a default, sorry, not default, this is we declared. Okay, so port we declare already 7809. So this is a dynamic means we give some space, I mean we give some the dynamically we can give some ports. Okay, so if it is anything available, it will capture automatically. Okay, so this is the automatic auto start. ER means this, E means extract, or means replicate. Okay, so if maybe it goes down, it will be going to retry to start. So retry we give three times. Okay, so every 5 minutes it will going to, if maybe it's down, it will going to retry that three times. Okay, so based on that, so this is the access rule. So we providing the allow. So right now this is providing only for test lab purpose. So in real time we can make it here our host name or IP details. So we can give some restriction. Okay, based on that. So after we created, so we are going to start our manager process. So manager process, we can confirm the manager process running or not. Okay, so info mgr, and then we are going to make a DB preparations here. You can see we are connecting our database. Okay, so we are going to execute all these scripts. So actually, right, this is the default one. I mean, not default. This is the important one. For it should be true. Okay, so we are for the GoldenGate installations. So we are going to make it true for this one, and then we are going to add our supplemental log. Okay, right, what is the meaning of a supplemental log? So we are going to add the one row extra for the redo logs. Okay, for the proper apply on the redo log sites. Okay, so we are going to enable the supplemental log, and we are should be going to enable our log should be enabled. Okay, force logging should be enabled. So once it's done, so actually we are going to create one user. So GoldenGate user. So we declare the password from above already. You can see we already declare the password from here above. Okay, so the quota is unlimited on the users. This is the testing purpose, guys. So based on your requirement, you can make it on that. Okay, so and after that we are providing the grants to create sessions to the users, to the CG admin, and we are providing some privileges. Okay, and this is the dummy user I'm created here. I just created the HR schema and the employee table. Okay, you can see here it will going to create, and it will going to insert some data. Okay, so once it's done, the phase 5 is going to extract and pump process. So the extract process, what it happen, it will going to providing our parameter here. So this is the user ID, this is the user, this password, and extract trial location we have to given, and you have to mention the table name, and table is equal to sorry, table means HR, I mean schema dot table name. Okay, so once it's done, so we are providing the pump as well. Okay, pump process also same like that. Okay, so remote host, we have to provide the remote host. We declare already remote host, and target host we mentioned already. The port also we mentioned already. So this is a remote file location we declare in above. So this is that table. Okay, so once it's done, we are going to add the TRANDATA and start the extract process and pump process. Okay, so once it's done, so we are going to start our you can see here our start our extract process, and then same time we are going to begin now. See, add extract name translog begin now. Okay, and add extract trail extract name, and then megabyte is 100, and start extract name. Okay, so we are going to start our extract, and here you can see add trial file. This is a pump name, so the pump extract trial also, and add extract trial. Sorry, this is a remote trial. The for the pump we are going to put the remote trial, and we are going to provide their pump name as well. Okay, so after that it will going to once it's done, so we are going to start our pump as well. Okay, you can start extract and this is a pump name. Okay, so once we did, so we are going to start our pump actually. So while we are running this script, so we are getting issues from here because pump when it's came up, so once the target side, the replication is, I mean the port is open in the target side. Okay, you can see in the target side the port is open. So then only you can see the diagram. So the when the pump is running, I mean started. So here the manager should be allow the connections. So once the replication is, I mean enable from here, and same time the port is open, then only the pump process will be open. Okay, because the pump is depend on our remote side. Okay, so I will show you the error we received also. Okay, so I hope we did already is hopefully fine. Okay, so I will explain the remote side as well. Okay, so you can see here remote side, same likewise we export our database and zip file. So all the our locations, so all the passwords, guys, this is for the lab purpose. Okay, so if you are going to the productions, so you have to make it altered with uh, your according then. Okay, so this is our remote trial locations. Okay, and this is the replications name we declare. So same likewise whatever we did before, we are going to do the same. Okay, the table also we are going to do the unzip the software. So and then you can see if maybe we are running, we are going to stop the old one. Okay, so this is our response file. So we are going to execute, and you can see here this is the inventory locations, and then we are going to create the subdirectories. We are going to this one for the manager port, same like before, and then we are going to bounce the manager process, and the target side we are going to set the same process what we did before. Okay, here no need for the force log enable because this is a unidirectional replications. Okay, so it's not going to apply again to the target, I mean source. Okay, so no need for that. So you can create the user and providing the privileges, then create sessions. Okay, so here as well same. Okay, so here also we are going to create that. You can see here we are going to create one user, use a schema. I mean the that HR schema. Same likewise. So what we did before, so we did everything. So we are providing the grants to the users. Okay, so now we are going to start our processes. You can see here add checkpoint, add checkpoint table, and that checkpoint table name we declared already in above. And then if it is exit, it will going to start our replications. This is our configurations of replications. You can see here map HR.EMP, the target side HR.EMP. Okay, HR is a schema, EMP is a table name. Okay, so once it's done, add replications. Okay, the DB login user ID. So we provided, we declare already the DB, sorry, GoldenGate user and golden user password. Okay, so once it's done, so we are going to start our replicate process. Okay, so once it's dot, actually that's it. Okay, that's it. Actually here I did one mistake. One second, we have to add this one. Yes, this is a create table. Where is create session here? Create session, yes, here I have to add this one. Okay, so that we can avoid this error. Okay, so now we are going to do, simply we are going to just vi, before we just which location we are in. Okay, so we just go to source dot sh. Okay, so now we are going to copy and paste it. Yes, we just copy and paste it here. Okay, same likewise here also. uh, ALL vi target.sh. Okay, so go to the target side. So we have to copy from, sorry, just copy from here. Okay, just copy and paste it here. Exit, save, clear the screen. Here also clear the screen. One second. So we have to confirm one. Actually, inventory file. Actually, what I did some mistake before. So maybe actually you guys are not received. Okay, I mean not getting this issue because this is for my. I mean you can see there is some. Yeah, yes, from my phone. We have to remove. Actually, I forgot to remove this one before. Okay. Same likewise, we are going to do that here as well. I forgot to do that. Okay. Okay, guys. CD/home Oracle. Okay. Likewise, you can go CD/home Oracle. Clear. And then you have to clear from here as well. Okay. So now we are going to execute source. Okay. And we are going to execute here as well. Okay. Uh, Pash target. Okay. So it will going to running now. Okay. So whatever we declare, so it will going to execute. Okay. So I will explain here. So once it's done. Okay, guys. Guys, you can see here. So I executed. Okay. So the installation is going successfully. So once it's done, it will going to create our directories. Okay. The directories already exist. Okay. So because I did already in my PC, that's why it's saying is already exits. So it's going to bounce our managers. So it will going to do our prerequest. I mean, it's creating our all the DB prerequest. Okay. So once it's done, it will going to do in our CG console. Okay. And I mean, add the tran logs and these all the things. So it will going to do successfully is done. Okay, so once it's done, you can see here. So it will going to start our extract process. Okay, and this replicate is sorry, the pump process should be failed. Okay, because it will not in target side is not yet done. Okay, so once it's done, so what I did, I just going to manually log in these locations. I will enable the consoles. I will confirm from here. You can see here now is pump is running. Okay, the same likewise here as well. Likewise, same script is going to run execute here. Okay. So once it's done, so here also is replication is stopped. So what I did, I'm going to just log in from manually, go to the console. I just confirm here. So the replication process also is running. Okay. So now what we are going to do, I just duplicate from here. Okay. So I will take it duplicate from here as well. Okay. So I will show you in front of you the some testing. Okay. So now I am going to connect the database, source database, right? Here also I have to connect. This is the target side, right? Target, target, skill plus lances, sysdb. Okay. So here what we are going to do, actually here I have the script. So actually where is that script? Mm, 1 second, guys. I make that script 1 second. Guys, you can see here. So I'm going to insert some data in the source side. Okay. So before I will show you that data in our target side. Okay. This is our target. Okay. Okay, it's saying it's there is no row selected. Okay, so what I am going to do in the target side, I am going to insert some datas. You can see here, I will insert and commit as well. 164, this is the target, right? So we are going to insert and target. So now what I am going to do, I just initiate from here. Let's wait. You can see it's came, right? set align 189. You can see here. So we receive the data from the target side. Okay. So likewise, what I am going to do, I am going to update here as well. Okay. You can target side, commit. So I am going to check from here as well, target side. You can see here the data should be changed, right? You can see the salary is before thousands, now is 1123. Okay. So that means our installation is successfully running. Okay. So that's it, guys. So if you have any doubts, you have any I mean, you are also practicing the same sessions. Okay. If you want the script, you can let me know. I will providing on that. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the time. Bye.